Tired of your phone dying when you need it most? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is your ultimate portable power solution. This beast packs a massive 20,000 mAh, letting you charge an iPhone 6 over 6 times. Imagine a whole week of power on a single charge. But it's not just big, it's smart, thanks to Anker's PowerIQ technology, which intelligently identifies your device to deliver the fastest, most efficient charge possible. Need to charge multiple devices? No problem. Its dual USB ports mean you and a friend can power up simultaneously, perfect for travel or busy days. What truly makes this stand out among other portable chargers is Anker's legendary reliability and build quality. This isn't just a battery, it's peace of mind. Ready to upgrade your charging game? Find the best deals and grab your Anker PowerCore 20000mAh via the Amazon link in the description below. For anyone seeking a reliable, powerful, and smart portable charger, the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is an absolute must-have for 2025.